Okay, hi, welcome to 50 Bird. So, as you can see, the bird doth hop. If you die, you get bronze. Bronze is for 0 to 2. Let's see if we can get silver. That was a hard gap. Oh, thank God. As you can see, the pipe heights vary, as does the gap between the pipes. Okay, I think that's a silver. No, that's a gold, actually. I did not know my own strength, obviously. Yeah, and so this time we're just gonna try and get to 3, God willing. That first pipe is always the hardest. Oh. Alright. I was so close. And there's your silver. Last thing to display before we finish this. Oh my gosh, wait. I need to take a snack break. Oh my goodness. Right, and just to confirm its functionality, I'm gonna score a couple points and resume, and my score is still saved. Thank you for joining me on this exciting stream/submission. Bye.